Good morning, dear children. Here I am, Arundhati ma'am, teaching you science in your class. So we are studying chapter number 5, plants around in our surroundings. Today we'll be doing the seeds. All of you, please turn to page number 47, where the topic on seeds is there. So the seeds are found inside the fruit. They may be large or small, flat or round, smooth or tough, and may be of different colors. So all of us have eaten a fruit, and while we eat our fruit, when we get inside, we see that inside the fruit there are the seeds. Seeds are of different shapes: flat, round, little bit tough, rough or smooth, and of different colors also. Many birds and animals eat seeds of different plants. The rice, wheat, maize, kidney beans, that is the rajma, and the almonds that we eat are all seeds. Not only birds and animals, human beings also eat different types of seeds. The wheat, the rice, they are nothing but the seeds of the plants. The rajma beans, that is the rajma, kidney beans, that is the rajma, that is also seeds. Also the chana, matar, the different masalas like the cumin, the jeera, dhania, all these things are nothing but the seeds. So here are the pictures of the wheat seed, kidney bean seed. Now turn to the next page, page number 48. Functions of the seed. Now here we have to study very well the seeds, function of the seeds. The seeds grow into a plant. The main function of the seed is to germinate and give birth to a new plant. Parts of a seed we are going to do now. Parts of a seed. The seed has a baby plant inside it. It has an outer covering called the seed coat which protects it. A small hole on one side of the seed coat helps water to enter the seed. One or more fleshy parts called the seed leaves or the cotyledons are found inside the seed. They store food for the baby plant. So to understand this, you have to look at this figure over here, the parts of a seed. Here the seed has been broken into two halves and it is being opened here. So outer hard covering over here, the brown portion, outer hard covering is the seed coat, and inside the seed coat lies the cotyledons which grows into the shoot of the plant and the root of the plant. And the cotyledons over here, inside the cotyledons lies the baby plant which is being shown in this seed, in this figure. For this is the monocot seed where it has got one cotyledon, and this is a dicot seed where it has two cotyledons. Example is maize for monocot seed, and for dicot seed it is kidney beans. So we have the seed leaves also, or the cotyledons. Another name for the cotyledons is the seed leaves. They store the food for the plant and the water gets inside through a small hole which is there. Kinds of seed, two types of seeds are there, cotyledons. So we will study about it in the next class.